you did attend the last session, and I hope you did understood everything there, because I was based on a Cartesian plan. All students take coffee. This is what I was based on, whereby I was telling you, I was based there showing you that here it's only all of them, they will be positive. Then here it's only sine which will be positive, and there it's only tan which will be positive, and cos that it will be positive. And I even told you this thing is all student take coffee there. So now I just want to summarize all of that information, because this thing, it looks so complex, guys. How will you know that this triangle and stuff, Okay, let me just summarize this thing. Now what we know that all student take coffee. What does all that thing mean? It means that all of them are positive. Here it's only sine positive, only tan positive, only cos which is positive. But now, guys, when you are studying a Cartesian plan, you should know everything about Cartesian plan. You should know everything about a Cartesian plan. A Cartesian plan, guys, if you're aware, it got some 0 degree here. And when you move that direction, here it will form 90 degree. Then when you move here, that's another 90 degree, then will end up forming 180 degree. Then when you move until there, it will form 270 degree. Moving there will form 360 degree there. Do you see? So those are the angles that will be dealing. This thing, it can move on, it can move on, it can move on. Do you see? But from grade 11, those are the only angles there that you'll be dealing with, even until grade 12 time. Also grade 12, this thing, guys, it's applicable. You are free to watch this lesson there. So here, what I want you to understand now, I will form our position. Here's thing that you should understand. When I move that direction, I move with a positive angle. But now when I move that direction, I move with a negative angle there. And here's, guys, a most important part. Here I will be only focusing on the horizontal line. That's a horizontal line there. From that horizontal line, guys, if I can be here, I move that direction. It means that I'm on 180, but I move that direction. Do you see the direction that I'm moving? That's a what? That's a clockwise direction. So if I'm moving that clockwise direction, it means that I'm moving with a negative angle. But if I can still be here, but I move that direction now, I'm here, I'm moving that direction, meaning that it's 180, but I'm moving anti-clockwise. When I move anti-clockwise, it means that I'm moving with a positive angle. That's so important for you to know. And now let's say now I'm here on 360. If I'm here on 360, the moment I move that side, I'm on 360, but I move on that side. That thing that symbol says, now if I move on that side, I will be moving on a clockwise direction, which is a negative angle. Then if now I move on that side, it means that will be 360, but now I move on a anti-clockwise, meaning that's a positive angle. So all of these things, guys, are what you call positions, by the way. This one, it will be our position. When we'll be reducing the angles, we'll be applying all of these things. This, guys, is so important for you to know this one. This one is the most important part. Just know your angles there. Like, just know your position them. Those things, they will use them to reduce them. Your teacher might not be applied this one, but it's also good, guys, that one. If you see 360 plus an angle, you are still on the first quadrant. So now what I will tell you, all of that thing there, what does it mean? So this is what it means. It means that if I can have a sine 180 negative theta, this thing there, it is on this position there, it is on this quadrant. This position there, it is on this quadrant, and from that quadrant there, I know that sine there, it's positive, meaning this will give me positive sine theta there. But now if it was cos 180 minus by what? By theta, and by tan 180 minus by theta, this is what will happen then. In this position, this region, it's only sine there which is negative, which is positive, meaning cos there will be what? Will be negative there. Even as well as tan, the tan there it's negative there. And all of that thing, guys, we have already proven there. While we're doing that, we have already proven that it's only this thing that which will be positive. Those ones they will be negative. Then in this region there, here, this position, if I can apply tan 180 plus this there, and sine 180 plus this there, even as well as cos 180 plus that there. So this is what I will get there. Here I'll just get tan there being positive, because on this region there it's only tan which is positive, meaning this one there it will be tan, and this thing there it will be cos there. So when I reduce the angle, guys, I'm only focusing on that theta and producing the what? The sine there, meaning this position there, tan there it's positive, meaning that I'll just produce the sine of being positive and reducing that angle. That big angle, it become as a theta. That big angle will just become as a theta. But this thing, remember, this thing there, it's a position. And in this position, the sine there, it's negative. Please take note about that one. Then now on the fourth quadrant, these are the conditions that you should know them. Okay, let me just start with cos there. Cos, negative angle. And here we got negative angle. And cos or tan the negative angle. Even there we can also have cos 360 minus by that, and here we can have 360 for what? For sine, even as well as what? For tan. That's a 360 there. So this is what you should understand about this. In this quadrant we will have positive cos there, because in this region there cos there is positive, but here tan there will be negative, and here even as well as sine, both of those ones they will be negative there, even as well as this. But this one there it's what? It's just being negative tan. Then this one there is positive cos there. So the only thing that I want you to take note of is this one, that in this region there it's only cos there which is positive, because it's positive. Then all of these one there, they will just be negative there, because they don't belong in that region there. You see, this is a region for cos there being positive. That one there it's a region of sine being positive. This there it's a region of tan being positive, meaning all the other one there they become what? Negative. So here this become positive. Yeah, that one they become positive. Yeah. So this diagram, guys, it's a most important one. The one that you should know, trim it, understand, know how to apply it. Do by all means to know this one, guys. This one is the most important one. Yeah. So for the next lesson there, I will just summarize this thing, then I go deep to the questions there. Yeah. Thank you for your time.